Here we come upon the Crape Myrtle. Isn't it beautiful? And it reminds me, it's a flowering tree bush. And did you know that the artichoke is a flower bud of the thistle? Oh yeah, ate one of those up the other day. Wrote about it too. Maybe I'll share some poetry. I wrote about crepe myrtles too, so more to come. So lovely, huh? Let's get up closer before we sign out. Oh, wow. I like to skate under the shade. I shade hop to keep cool. It's almost 10 degrees cooler, quote unquote. Oh, there's some buzzing bees. All right. To the light. Thank you, Holy Spirit.